HiNow. We're back at City Mill in Mililani, and in today's Fixit Focus, we're repairing screens with Stu. Stu, what's happening today? Look at these holes. We gotta fix them.
Yep, so we got here a screen that has a bunch of holes in it. We're gonna fix it today.
Let's fix it. You said it's pretty easy because you can do it yourself at home. So how does it work?
Pretty simple. So here we got 2 holes. First thing we want to do, if you have a screen that has a hole in it like this, we want to clean up around the hole so when we put our patch on, it goes on better.
So what kind of tools do you need for today?
No tools at all. With this, we're just going to use this simple adhesive patch. Anyone can use this. I'm just peeling and we're sticking. So the only part you got to worry about is lining up the squares. That way it kind of makes a more uniform look. If you had it at an angle, it would go at a zigzag. You don't want that. So having it match up with the rest of the grid of the screen will make it look better. Now what you should also do is do the other side, because now we have a sticky side.
So we're gonna flip it? I got you.
This way, it's holding on to each other, and that part will probably be stronger than the rest of the screen. Line it up one more time, make sure everything matches.
Now, speaking of matches, there's different colors, there's different materials. What's the options?
We have aluminum screen, we have fiberglass screen, we also have PET screen. So depending on what you're working on, we have it.
Nice. You know, I've got some kids, so it starts as one tiny hole, and then they get their little fingers in there, and next thing you know, it's a big, big hole.
Yeah,
so
it becomes a big mess. And here at City Mill, we have a service where we can replace the screen for you. Or if the entire frame is busted up, we'll fix it.
Nice. Okay, that looks super simple, which means I could probably do it. So you patched one. Let me try one.
Here you go.
All right. So this one here is the fiberglass. Here we go. All right, easy peel off. Ooh, nice and sticky. This is the tricky part where I'm gonna have to line it up. Okay, that was super simple. Now let's give it a flip.
Here you go.
Oh my, thank you. See, look how helpful they are here at City Mill. Thanks, Stu. Let's line it up. Line up the edges. What do you think?
Absolutely perfect. You're a professional DIYer.
Yes! Well, you guys made it so easy here at City Mill, and if people wanted to come and check it out, see what these screens are all about and how to repair it, where would they go?
You can go to any one of our 8 locations on the island or at citymill.com.
All right, Stu, thank you so much. You're going to have all the details up on HiNowDaily.com. Mahalo.